Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm making a video on all my PS Vita games version 2. This time it's an enormous stack of my PS Vita game. I believe this thing worth like $300, $400 to $500. So yeah, I'm going Z to A, so enjoy. First is Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom, Uncharted Golden Abyss, Unit 13, Shinobi 2 Revenge of Zen, Ridge Racer, Resistance Burning Sky, Ninja Gaiden Sigma Plus, Mortal Kombat, Metal Gear Solid HD Collection with 2 and 3, Gravity Rush, Nine Stereo Next, Blaze Blue, Blaze Blue, Batman 2 DC Superheroes, and Aspa Injection. So yeah, mostly all my PSV, mostly all the sorry about that. Mostly it's all the best PS Vita game I ever owned. Mostly some of it I don't like, RPG games, and you know, those where you level up. I would have played computer. So yeah, the accessory I got is the cradle for the PS Vita stand. You want to watch movie, your music, you just put this stand on. And this PS Vita wall case. I might recommend this for PS Vita people to get this case, because this case is awesome. It protects. I dropped this. I remember first time I dropped it at this hard floor. When I checked inside, I thought it would break, but pretty neat. No damage, harm, nothing house. Just awesome. So yeah, that's it. I was planning to do my 3DS video collection, but I don't. But now think about it, nah, don't want. Then should not. Nah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, comment. Hope see ya. Bye.